Alright, what is up guys? So in this video, I'm gonna go over three 10,000 MRR ideas that I found in the data niche. And after that, I'm gonna show you guys how you can find similar ideas with these three steps. So I'm gonna go over like how you can find what's already working in the market, how you can reverse engineer what's already making money. So you can either copy the same product or make something better, and then how you can find other low competition opportunities. And this is just one of the sites that I found that is in the data niche that is making more than $1 million. That is pretty easy to clone. So let's go over it now. So I'm on Exploding Insights, and this is a tool that I'm developing, which basically helps you find profitable ideas faster. So one of the niche that I was looking at is data governance. So let me find the tab. So this one here. So basically, it's just data products. And one of the things that I found was this draft a non-disclosure agreement NDA letter. So I thought this was pretty interesting because it's already making $1,000 and it has 85 orders. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And if you want, you can check out the Fiverr gig here. So this is like what someone is already selling on Fiverr. So you know for sure that this service is already making money. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the reviews. So here are the reviews, but that's not the interesting part. So I was just like looking to see if there was a product for this because basically I imagine what they're doing is that they're researching, they're doing the service manually. So there's probably an opportunity for that to be automated, right? So I pretty much just copied this and I Googled it to see if there were any other services. So one of the service I found was a site called legaltemplates.com. So there's this one here, and then there is also non-disclosure agreement template here. So I just opened both of these. Also, this Chrome extension that I've installed is called Keyword Everywhere. And basically, you can see the number of searches per month and also the competition. So for this keyword, it's actually pretty low, but probably it's because it's so long tail. So if I do something like non-disclosure agreement, like template, it's probably going to be a little bit more searches. So let's see. Yeah, it's 22,000. So Law Depot is the number one for this one. So yeah, well, let's take a look. So I was looking at this legal templates, and basically this product allows you to, I guess, download this template and you can use it for your NDAs. But the interesting part is I was checking out the traffic, and the traffic on this is like near 1 million visitors per month. So I'm like, okay, this is pretty interesting because I imagine they don't only have templates for NDAs, but also templates for other like use cases. So you can see that they have like lease agreements, evictions, NDAs, power of attorney, and whatever. So yeah, that's like their business model where they provide templates, and then if you check out their pricing, it's $7.99 per month, billed annually. So it's going to be around like $100 per month. And you can imagine that if they're doing $1 million per month, 1 million visitors per month, then they're probably converting like at 1%, and at 1% conversions, it's close to $1 million per month of like rev. So yeah, it's pretty impressive. And I thought like this niche is, I think you can expand this type of idea into other niches. So let's say like instead of just doing like law, right? So these guys mostly have law, right? So maybe you can create like fitness templates, or you can create like templates in like engineering. So in engineering, there's like stuff like SOPs. So let's just say like engineering SOPs. So yeah, just some ideas to give you guys and kind of help you research. So yeah, that was one of the things that I researched and I thought was pretty interesting. And then oh yeah, so let's check out the other one. So this one, Law Depot, it's actually ranking number one for this keyword. So let's see how they are doing theirs. So I guess it's also a similar setup where they allow you to download it for free, and then they probably have a paid plan somewhere where it's like unlimited downloads. Let's see. Pricing. I'm not seeing where they're doing the pricing. I see they have the affiliate program, so they must be paid. Let's just search on Google, see if we can find how they're pricing their stuff. Let's see the traffic though. Yeah, so this one is even more than the other one. It's like 2 million for this one site. So I think you probably need to like sign in first, and then they'll hit you with a paywall. So I can go ahead and do that, just show you guys, and I'll probably just cut this part out. Right, see. Where's the here? Oh, that's the one. All right, we are through the form. That took like a minute. So yeah, let's see. Um, where is the actual price? Okay, so here. So it's 1 year for like $9 per month. So 10, I guess it's most around $100 as well. And then they have like this one-time charge for the document. So yeah, it's kind of similar to the other one, but this one's probably making way more money because it has double the traffic as legaltemplates.net. So yeah, I think you can definitely apply this business model to other niches. So one way that I would like try to find ideas is I just go to ChatGPT and say like, I want to create templates for other niches. So I'm just going to give an example first. Site making NDA templates is making 9 per year. Give me 20 ideas. Something like this. So business plan, yeah, so do it in the business niche. Marketing plan. I actually know there's a bunch of like ChatGPT bundles where they give you prompts for different niches. So like I'll show you marketing ChatGPT prompt bundle. So if you search, you can see like these guys are like selling these bundles for different niches. So I think you can definitely do this for like other niches outside of real estate, finance, and whatnot. So yeah, so basically just use ChatGPT to come up with ideas, and you already know that this is validated if you use Exploding Insights, and you can check that it's like people are providing service for this, and you can see other sites are making money with their paid plans and other traffics. So yeah, this is example number one. And then the other cool example I found is that what people are doing is that they're finding B2B lead generation databases for targeted title person. So basically, what this is that say you run a marketing agency and you want to find other startups to target. So I know one startup, it's called like cyberleads.com, and this site does around 500,000 per month. And all they do is they provide a list of startups that recently got funding. So it's super targeted, and you know for a fact that the startups have money because they just got funding, right? So their funnel is that you can get a free leads list per month, and then they upsell you into this like $97 per month plan where they send you more leads. So yeah, I think this type of model where you apply it to other niches outside of just startups. So let's say like you create a database of like real estate people that need leads, or yeah, just use ChatGPT to come up with other niche ideas. So that's the other idea that I thought could be pretty interesting. And this service is already making around $2,000 on Fiverr, so you know for a fact. And then let's see. Oh yeah, so this one here. So I liked it, but I actually didn't do any research yet. So let me just do it right now. So I thought this was pretty interesting because in the EU, there is a new law where I guess sites that operate in the EU have to have like really clear privacy policies. So let's see if there is any products for this already. So you can see that on Fiverr, these guys are already making 30,000 of revenue. So just open the Fiverr link here, and you can see that what they do is basically like write your privacy and GDPR data protection policy. And I thought this was like really interesting because all the customers are from the EU. So I think for like marketing, you could create a product where you just get a lead list of like people in the EU or startups in the EU and offer this service. But let's see if there's actually any products already for this service. So let's see. I would search like GDPR data privacy policy writer. Probably because AI could definitely do this easily. Okay, let's see. So this site here, it generates it for you, but I don't think this is their main product. They're probably just using this as marketing. Let's see. Yeah, so this entire site is just based around like privacy and making sure that the startup doesn't do anything illegal, which I think is like pretty good offer because most startups are probably really fearful that they're breaking some law. So if you offer this and just offer the reassurance that they'll stay compliant, this is probably a pretty easy offer. So let's see their pricing. Let's see, okay, here. So they have like a free plan, which you can only generate the simple privacy policy, but then there is a premium plan. Let's see. Pay only what you need, one-time payments only. So yeah, you can see that they'll write these different services for you, and you just pay like 30 bucks, 40, 24 bucks, 24 bucks. Actually, one thing that I thought of right now is that you can probably make, so like if you have a product in the startup space and you want lead like tools to get leads. So basically, this is like a tangent, but like one of the startups that does this really well is Veed. So basically, what they do is they provide all these free tools for you, where it's like free add music to video, free add subtitles to video. So it's used as like, I think the term is engineering as marketing. So basically, they have these tools and they rank on Google, right? So you can probably do something similar with all these templates. So like it's super easy to make these like writers with AI. So you can say like free writer to provision for email marketing, right? So like every single one of these offers can be a separate tool. So yeah, this is their like pricing. Let's see their traffic. So they're doing around 600,000 per month, which is not bad at all, right? Because they're probably converting like 1%, and then the paid users are probably just buying these per session. So yeah, that's like another interesting opportunity I found. And definitely, I don't think it would be that hard to actually create a AI writer to clone this type of thing. So yeah, those are like the three main opportunities I found just in this short amount of time. And there's definitely a lot more opportunities in the database. So let me go back to the database. So yeah, if you go to the pro version, basically you can, well, quick plug since it's the end of the video. So if you're interested, just go to exponentinsights.com and sign up here. So right now there is a 20% discount, but it might go away in the future. And we're offering a lifetime plan for the time being, but this will probably go away in the future as well. And we'll probably move to like a monthly plan. So if you're interested, basically what you get is you get this database of all these niches where you can research already validated service ideas or product ideas. So it lists the service and the pain point, and then how much revenue each like service has made. So then you can use that to generate your product idea. So these are like market tested ideas already. So yeah, that's like a small pitch. So yeah, if you made it to this far in the video, can you guys comment like data, AI, money for the algorithm? That'd be really appreciated. So yeah, let me know if you guys actually like this type of content, and if so, I will probably create more in the future, and hopefully that was useful.